This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating Chrome OS so themes and extensions behave predictably. Once done, choose a coherent color palette and a wallpaper folder with high-resolution 16:9 images. Make sure to back up bookmarks and sync. You'll restore layout quickly if needed. Then, enable only necessary extensions. Avoid theme packs that conflict. You'll install one wallpaper, one cursor pack, and one launcher change first, testing each before moving on, so you don't create visual chaos. You now apply the chosen theme, then adjust the shelf and launcher arrangement to match the palette. This shows immediate impact. Once applied, add 2 widgets or apps. Clock and Note app are practical, and position them for balance. Make sure to change fonts using a single extension so typography stays consistent, and test at 90% and 110% zoom to confirm legibility. If icons clash, swap icon packs one at a time. This controlled approach keeps your Chromebook cohesive and pleasant to use. You finish by fine-tuning icon sizes, shelf behavior, and any wallpaper parallax so the screen reads in a clear hierarchy. Once everything looks aligned, run a cleanup to remove unused apps and clear cache. This prevents slowdowns that ruin the aesthetic. If something breaks, colors off, icons missing, disable the last extension or revert the theme, then reboot and reapply changes step by step. That troubleshooting loop typically fixes conflicts and gets your Chromebook back to the intended aesthetic quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.